Are you dreaming of studying at one of the most prestigious Islamic universities in the world? Welcome to the International Islamic University, Malaysia, known as IIUM, located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for admission, what documents you need, and the important things you must do before and after applying. So stay with me until the end. This video could change your future. IIUM, or International Islamic University Malaysia, was established in 1983. It is a world-class university that combines Islamic values with modern academic excellence. It offers programs in law, medicine, engineering, economics, Islamic revealed knowledge, and many more. Students from over 100 countries study here, making it a truly international and diverse community. IIUM welcomes both local Malaysian students and international students. Whether you are applying for an undergraduate, postgraduate, or PhD program, IIUM has a place for you. You must have completed your secondary or higher education with good academic results. International students need a recognized qualification such as A-levels, IB diploma, or an equivalent certificate from their home country. Now, let's talk about the documents you must prepare before applying. Number 1. A copy of your valid passport. Make sure it is valid for at least 1 year. Number 2. Your academic transcripts and certificates. This includes your secondary school results and any higher education results. Number 3. A recent passport-sized photograph with white background. Number 4. Your English language proficiency results. IIUM accepts IELTS, TOEFL. The minimum IELTS score is usually 6.0 for undergraduate programs. Number 5. A personal statement or letter of motivation, explaining why you want to study at IIUM and your future goals. Number 6. 2 letters of recommendation from your teachers or academic advisors. Number 7. A copy of your birth certificate. Number 8. If you are applying for a postgraduate program, you will also need your undergraduate degree certificate and transcript. Keep all these documents in both original and scanned digital format. You will need them during online application.
Now, here's the most important part: how to actually apply. Step 1. Visit the official IIUM website. Go to www.ium.edu.my. Step 2. Click on the admissions section. You will find separate portals for local and international students. Step 3. Create an account on the online application portal. Use a valid email address that you check regularly. Step 4. Fill in the online application form carefully. Double-check every detail: your name, date of birth, nationality, and program of choice. Step 5. Upload all your required documents in the correct format. Usually PDF or JPEG files are accepted. Step 6. Pay the application fee online. The fee amount may vary depending on your program and nationality. Check the website for the latest fee information. Step 7. Submit your application and note your application reference number. Keep this number safe. You will need it to track your application status. Step 8. Wait for the university's response. IIUM will contact you via email about your application status, interview schedule if required, and offer letter. After you submit your application, here are the important things you must do. First, check your email daily. IIUM will send all important updates to your registered email. Second, prepare for a possible online interview. Some faculties may require an interview before accepting you. Third, once you receive your offer letter, accept it within the deadline given. Do not delay. Fourth, apply for your student visa. International students must apply for a Malaysian student pass. IIUM's International Student Division will guide you through this process. Fifth, arrange your accommodation early. IIUM has on-campus hostels, but spaces are limited. Apply as soon as possible. Sixth, book your flight ticket early to get the best price. Seventh, inform your family and prepare financially. Know your total tuition fees and living costs in Malaysia. Eighth, join the IIUM official student groups on social media. You will find helpful tips from current students and alumni. Good news: IIUM offers various scholarships and financial assistance programs. There are merit-based scholarships for students with excellent academic results. There are also need-based financial aid options. International students can apply for the IIUM International Student Scholarship. Check the official website for current scholarship opportunities and deadlines. And that is your complete guide to Applying for admission at International Islamic University Malaysia, IIUM is not just a university, it is a place where knowledge meets faith, where you grow academically, spiritually, and personally. If this video was helpful, please share it with someone who is planning to study in Malaysia. Do not forget to follow for more helpful education guides. May Allah make your journey easy and bless your future. Assalamu alaikum.